Today we're unboxing the Seiko 5 Sports X Pink Panther, reference number SRPM07. We start with the outer white Seiko 5 box with the Seiko 5 logo. Once we open it, you will see the Pink Panther house, a beautifully designed box inspired by the classic animation. Let's take a moment to look at it from every angle. Inside, we find the watch itself. The pink accented dial immediately stands out. You'll also notice the extra pink nylon strap, which I'll show on the watch later. On the dial, you can spot the iconic Pink Panther footprints. The case measures 38 millimeters in diameter, with a thickness of 12.1 millimeters. Turning the watch around, we see the open case back, featuring an engraved Pink Panther illustration. This is how the watch looks on my wrist. A compact, comfortable fit with a lot of character. And now, here it is on the pink NATO strap. It completely changes the look and adds even more personality. Finally, this is how the watch looks outdoors, in natural daylight, where the colors really come to life. This might be Seiko 5's best collaboration so far.
Thank you guys so much for unboxing this watch with us. And if you're interested in this watch, the link is down below in the description. And we have a discount of 10% off with discount code 20K. We ship worldwide and the watch will arrive within a few days. Thank you.